Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our 201st state of the track. This time at Church Avenue at the Brighton line. Finally, we are using our usual device, and we are looking at the express track towards Manhattan at Grace Station. But usual things that we see needs attention. Local track towards Manhattan. It needs attention, Could the MTA do this? It has been already 1 year since we initiated this and nothing has been done. Thank you. Once again, express track towards Manhattan. It's worse. This is so gross. Q express track, local track. What could be worse, an underground, elevated, or a Grace Station? Who knows? Well, now we're going to do the Coney Island / Brighton Beach bound track. Here at Church Avenue. We're going to start off with the express track. Then we see all the trail of garbage. Good Lord. Local track. Well, this will conclude our 201st State of the Track at Church Avenue.